Hello, my name is John and today I will show you how you can create a chart like this inside Framer that connects with your CMS. So first you need to add the CMS. We'll go here, create the CMS, we'll create the CMS from scratch. We'll click here and then we will add two columns, country field, the one field it will be country, and we'll remove all the other fields. We'll add the new field called population. That it will be a number. Then we will start adding some countries. And then you can add the number for the population. And you can create as many as you wish. So for now we'll create two. Then you will need to add the component for the chart. I will name it chart from CMS, and then I can paste the code from the other project. Now I just need to drag this inside my project, and I need to connect with the CMS. So I need to add the CMS and then drag this and connect it with my CMS. And then I will need to specify here the fields that I have the values, country and population. And I can publish and test it here. And that's it. You can see it has also an animation. The data appears here as it is on my CMS. I can add as many countries as I wish. I can create different type of charts. Also, you can check our website. We have many different type of charts. I hope you like this video. Feel free to comment, subscribe and share. Bye.